Hello and welcome to Studemia channel. Today, we're going to explore two popular file archiving formats in computing, tar and zip. Both are widely used, but they have some important differences that are crucial to understanding. Let's dive in. First up, let us talk about their compression methods. Tar, which stands for tape archive, was originally designed for tape backups. It is great for bundling multiple files into one large archive, known as a tarball. However, tar itself does not compress files. For compression, we often pair it with tools like gzip, creating tar.gz files, or bzip for tar.bz2 files. Now, zip is a bit different. It not only archives files into a single package, but also compresses them simultaneously. This makes a zip file both smaller in size and a consolidated version of multiple files. In terms of popularity and usage, tar is a big deal in Unix and Linux environments. It is preferred for software distribution in these systems because it preserves Unix file attributes like permissions and ownership. On the other hand, zip is more common in Windows environments. Its simplicity and built-in compression make it a versatile choice across various operating systems. Speaking of efficiency, when tar is combined with gzip or bzip2, it can compress files effectively. The level of compression depends on the tool used. Zip, however, generally offers good compression, especially for smaller files, since it compresses each file individually within the archive. A key difference is in how you access files. In a tar archive, you need to decompress it sequentially to access a specific file. But with zip, you get random access. This means you can pull out a single file from a large archive without processing the entire thing, saving time. Cross-platform compatibility is another factor. While tar is standard in Unix/Linux, it is less common in Windows, where it requires third-party tools. Zip files, however, are universally supported across Windows, Linux, and macOS, making them ideal for cross-platform sharing. Finally, let us talk about metadata preservation. Tar is excellent at preserving metadata like file permissions and timestamps, crucial in Unix/Linux systems. Zip maintains basic file attributes but might not perfectly preserve Unix-specific metadata. So, which one should you use? Well, it depends on your specific needs like the operating system, metadata preservation, and how you need to access and compress files. I hope this clears up the differences between tar and zip for you. Thanks for tuning in to Studemia channel. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more tech insights. Let's move to Lab module now, where we will learn how to implement it practically. As you can see, as usual, we are on our Linux machine. Let us type to verify by typing ls-l. And here is our web server directory which hosts WordPress. We are going to archive this WordPress directory as a tar file. In order to do that, I am going to use the command cd, then var, where we'll send backup. Sudo tar-czvf. Then, I'll give the backup file a name. Let us call it WordPress_backup. I'll add the extension, so it is going to be .tar.gz. The directory we need to archive is /var/wu/html as soon as you hit enter. You will see that the data is being archived. To validate if the archiving has happened, I am going to type ls-l. You will see the file name there, which we have just archived, and you can see on my screen the file named WordPress_backup.tar.gz. To check which directory we are in, let's type pwd, and we are indeed in /var directory. This is how you take a backup of any file and folder. In the next tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to unzip it and install software from a zip file.